Evening, folks. Brian here, Geomagnetic Earthwatch. Monday, November 10, 2025. Let's do an updated status report on our sun. Let's take this to 24 hours. So we had a low-level X1 flare. Fairly long duration. So if we take it from this point here when it started up, let's say 0900 UTC and finished, let's just say around here, 1235. So that's a 3.5 hour duration flare. Right here. Which is going to be at the end of this one right here. So it's a full halo CME. Now we're going to take a look at the modeling. Now please remember, this is plus or minus 6 or 7 hours. It's not always accurate. A few things of note. So our plasma density is right at the top of the scale. It's going to be about 65 or so. As you can see, the bar on the left goes from 0 to 60, our plasma density. The velocity as well is going to be quite fast. It's going to be almost 900 kilometers per second. Let's play this again. We have more than one inbound. Relax, there's nothing to get excited about this, folks. Also remember, sometimes when these things are modeled, a few times absolutely nothing happens. Sal. So this is the sun, this is Earth. Let it run one more time. So according to the modeling, this will be tomorrow at 0400 UTC. Correction. This will be on the 12th at 0400 UTC. So if you're on the west coast of North America, we minus 8 hours, so about 8 p.m. tomorrow night. The daytime shockwave is going to be the Timor Sea, entrance into this Timor Sea between Timor and Australia. However, it will encompass this entire area. So let's just say almost to Taiwan, to the bottom end of Australia, Vanuatu to the Indian Ocean, this whole area. We'll wait till we get a rise in these bars here in the HP30 index, which is a more finer measurement than the this one here, which is 3 hour increments. So we go through the forecast. So the forecast predicted is a G2, then going up to G3, strong geomagnetic storm conditions. This means the possibility of a G4 geomagnetic instability. Remember when I talk about the connection of the solar winds, and in this case the CME, if it's a southward direction solar wind, then it would connect with the northern direction of the magnetic field lines of the planet Earth, and that would induce geomagnetic instabilities. So there's nothing to get worried about. No need for any excitement. Just sit back, relax, folks. The intensity of a CME impact, it's not just about the strength, density, the plasma, speed, so forth. It is the magnetic connection with Earth's magnetic field lines. So the CME is going to ride a spiral. Okay, north direction, south direction, north direction. Earth's magnetic field lines always flows from the south to the north. So when the CME arrives, if it's a southern orientation, then there's going to be that connection penetrating through our atmosphere. They won't know until about an hour before. So, you know, folks, relax. These are incy-bincy, tiny little things. Nothing to get worked up about. 13 years ago, October 3, 2024, we had a direct Earth-facing X9 with a CME. So just, you know, stay cool, relax, do your homework, okay? The effects of these impacts on us. I've done umpteen videos on my YouTube channel, space weather, biological health effects. Just go through it again, okay? As the event gets closer and closer, we'll do another video. We'll go through the timing, which side of Earth is going to be facing this, getting the brunt of it. But just stay calm, relaxed. No need for any excitement. There's no need for putting a percentage on it if it's going to be a kill shot or not, or any of that stupidity nonsense, okay? I'll see you tomorrow.